Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about something different which can help our brain to do some kind of exercise. Yes, doing exercise will give the better result and big changes in our life. There is a girl who can correctly determine the exact dimensions of an object which is 20 feet away. This is really unbelievable, right? Even there is a child who at the age of 6 drew such lifelike and powerful pictures. She got her own show at a gallery on Madison Avenue. Yet none of these children could be taught to tie their shoes. Indeed, none of them have an IQ greater than 50. But how these kind of unbelievable things came into the picture? The brain is an amazing thing. Your brain may not be nearly so odd, but it is no less extraordinary, easily the most sophisticated information transfer system on earth. Yes, it is true. Exercise, survival, wiring, attention, memory, sleep, stress, sense, vision, gender, and exploration. Motion translate to exercise, learning from our mistakes so we could survive in the great outdoors meant paying attention to certain things at the expense of others, and it meant creating memories in a particular way. These things can be somewhat difficult to understand, but these things are easy and that easy for our brain to digest. Do you believe these things? By doing simple things for our brain to sharp in order to do many more things even which are unexpected to us. Yes, so let's begin. Exercise. Another brain-specific effect of exercise recently has become clear, one that it is not reminiscent of roads so much as of fertilizer. At the molecular level, early studies indicates that exercise also stimulates one of the brain's most powerful growth factors. The benefits of exercise seem nearly endless because its impact is system-wide, affecting most psychological systems also. Yes, it is true. Exercise makes your muscles and bones stronger. For example, improves your strength and balance. It helps regulate your appetite, changes your blood liquid profile, reduces your risk for more than a dozen types of cancers, improves the immune system, and buffers against the toxic effects of stress. So what are you waiting for? Do exercise to make our brain stronger. Short-term memory. The brain has many types of memory systems. One type follows 4 stages of proceedings: encoding, storing, retrieving, and forgetting. Information coming into your brain is immediately split into fragments that are sent to different regions of the cortex for storage. This is not something like biology. This is the normal procedure which our brain follows. Yes, most of the events that predict whether something learned also will be remembered occur in the first few seconds of learning only. The more elaborately we encode a memory during its initial moments, the stronger it will be in our storage. Yes, you can improve your chances of remembering something if you reproduce the environment in which you first put it into your brain. So learning in such a way to remember is very important in order to store strongly in our brain. So learning procedure also we have to follow perfectly so that our brain can able to store until we want to forget it. Yes. Sleep. The brain is a constant state of tension between cells and chemicals that try to put you to sleep and cells and chemicals that try to keep you awake. The neurons of your brain show rhythmical activity when you are asleep, perhaps replaying that you learned that day. People vary in how much sleep they need and when they prefer to get it, but the biological drive for an afternoon nap is universal. Loss of sleep hurts attention, executive function, working memory, mood, quantitative skills, logical reasoning, and even motor dexterity. So, everyone must and should learn sleep well, think well. This is the best brain rule we have to follow for our healthy brain. Stress. Stressed brains does not learn the same way, right? Your body's defense system, the release of adrenaline and cortisol, is built for an immediate response to a serious but passing danger, like a angry tiger. Chronic stress such as hostility at home dangerously deregulates a system built only to deal with short-term responses only. Under chronic stress, adrenaline creates scares in your blood that can cause us a heart attack or stroke, and cortisol damages the cell of the different parts in our body. It will definitely degrades your ability to learn and remember. So individually, the worst kind of stress is the feeling that you have no control over the problem. You're helpless. Emotional stress has huge impacts across society on children's ability to learn in school and even one employee's productivity at work also. So we have to learn not to be stressed always. Definitely this is the one of the lesson we have to learn, that we should not be stressed to make our work difficult. It will definitely affect our brain in negative way. So don't be stressed always. Be stress free. Vision. Vision is by far our most dominant sense, taking up half of our brain's resources. Yes, what we see is only what our brain tells us we see, and it is not 100% accurate. The visual analysis we do has many steps. The retina assembles photons into little movie-like streams of information. The visual cortex processes these streams, some areas registering motions, other registering colors, etc. Finally, we combine that information back together so we can able to see. Yes, that is the vision. We learn and remember best through pictures, not through written or spoken words, so that we always remember pictures compared to other forms of remembering. So this is the best way for growing child to learn easily and remember the things perfectly. Vision trumps all other senses. Exploration. We are powerful and natural explorers. Yes, even babies are the model of our how we learn, not by passive reaction to the environment, but by active testing through observation, hypothesis, experiment, and conclusion. Specific parts of the brain allow this scientific approach. So while learning new things, this exploration will definitely help us. Yes, while a child learning in the school for the first time, or even an employee preparing for a project in their office, in every situation, exploration is the best way to make our brain stronger. Yes, training our brain is the part of exploration while learning new things, which helps our lives to see better ways for our success. So these are the some of exercises and some new things we can able to learn, and even rules for our brain which helps to makes us stronger and to explore new things.